Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Imgix for media delivery in apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type img9.com in the address bar. Press the enter key. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the home page. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address in the first field. Provide your password in the second field. If you want to stay logged in, check the Remember Me box. Once you have filled in your credentials, click on the Login button. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password. After logging in, you will be taken to your Imgix dashboard. Here, you can manage your media delivery settings. To upload media, click on the Sources tab on the left sidebar. Select Add Source to begin the upload process. Choose your preferred source type, like a cloud storage provider. Follow the prompts to connect your source account. Once your source is added, you can begin accessing your media. Explore other features, such as URL parameters for image optimization. Take time to review the documentation for advanced settings. You are now ready to use Imgix for media delivery in your apps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.